What's the meaning of boringly? Boringly. Boringly.
Boringly. Boringly. The term boringly refers to doing something in a dull and uninteresting way, lacking excitement or stimulation. When something is described as boringly, it means that it is monotonous, mundane, and lacks any sense of novelty or originality. The result of doing things boringly can be a lack of engagement from others, disinterest in the task at hand, and a general feeling of lethargy. It is important to avoid doing things in a boring manner to maintain enthusiasm and interest in the activities we undertake, both in our personal and professional lives.